Hello, my name is Sarah and I would like to present you the invisidoor S. The invisidoor S is part of the invisidoor concept. It is a very unique system. It is a pocket system where the door comes out of the wall, aligns with one side of the wall. At the back of the wall, all parts are nicely covered behind the profile. When the door is open, the door is completely hidden in the wall. The invisidoor S has a maximum door thickness of 40 mm and a maximum door weight of 80 kg with a maximum door height of 2.6 meters. The invisidoor S can be used for both brick and plasterboard walls and has a minimum size wall of 125 mm. After finishing the entire system, door and accessories remains fully removable without damaging the wall. With the invisidoor S, you have a completely invisible sliding door.